Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I'm your teacher Hamda Riaz and this is a lecture of Integrated Studies for Week 10. Today the topic that we are going to learn is Getting Around Transportation, textbook page number 80 and 81. The objective is students will be able to learn about the airport. The success criteria is remember to a person who flies an aeroplane is called pilot. Now watch this video and learn more about the means of transportation. Now students open your textbook page number 80 at the airport. So we will study about the airport and the aeroplane in these pages and you will read this and discuss it with your parents. So aeroplanes are the large vehicles that fly in the air. They carry people and cargo from one place to another. So basically the aeroplane is the fastest mean of transportation. It takes people from one place to another in a very short span of time. Airport is a place where the aeroplane take off and land. So airport is a place where it take off and land. Airports have waiting lounges for passengers. A person who flies on aeroplane is called a pilot. So this is a picture of an airport given here. This is the runway, a control tower, an avio bridge, a mobile stair, passenger lounge, and cargo. Circle the things that are not found at an airport. So students, what you will do, you will circle the things that are not found at an airport. So basically, birds are the things that we can't see on the airport, and elephants are not found at the airport. Bus is not found at the airport, and cat is not found at the airport. So you will circle these words. This is an activity on page number 81. Match the words with picture. So what you will do, you will match the word with the correct picture. So the word is aeroplane. So the picture of aeroplane is here, and we will match it. Runway, we will match the runway with its picture. Cargo with its picture. Passenger, and then airport. There is a do you know box on the right side of the page at the bottom. On the left side of the page at the bottom, which gives us the information that traveling by air or ship costs more than other means of transport. So basically they are expensive means of transportations. And this is a discussion box at the left side. What is your favorite, on the right side, sorry, what is your favorite transport, why? So you will discuss this with you can discuss with your parents or siblings, and you can tell them what is your favorite transport and why is that transport your favorite. Now worksheet number 4, getting around transportation. You will solve this worksheet as we have discussed it in the previous lecture as well. So this is a picture, and you will encircle the correct word that represent this picture basically. So this is a picture of a bicycle. So there are 3 words given. We will encircle the correct one. We will do the same with all these things. How do you come to school? Complete the sentence from jumbled up words. So you will first unscramble these words and write the one through which you travel to school. So I come to school by, it may be a bus or a car, a van, or a bicycle. Question number 3 is match the following words and write 2 complete sentences on the space. So what you will do, you will complete the sentence by using these words. You will write 2 sentences by using these words. So you can write it like, I have traveled in an aeroplane. It is fast means of transport. So first sentence you will write like this, and then second you will make another in this manner. Word search. Find out the means of transportation. So you will find out the means of transportation from this word search. Like, so I have seen a word like, this is bus, bus, bus. So you will circle this. Vocabulary words. You will learn these vocabulary words and write on the loose sheet. Runway, control tower, cargo, avio bridge, mobile stairs, passenger lounge, and airport. Home tasks. So students, your home task is firstly, students read the given pages. Students will learn the vocabulary words and write as well, and you will solve the worksheets. Solve textbook page number 81. This is the answer key given for you. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.